Are you conscious of your crooked teeth and worried about wearing braces? We can help you.
What makes Invisalign more comfortable than ordinary aligners? Most ordinary aligners have a standard trim not customized to your gum line, which may lead to discomfort. Invisalign is different. With advanced digital orthodontics, each Invisalign aligner is custom trimmed to fit your unique gum line. Comfortable straightening all day long with Invisalign.
At White Swan Aesthetics, we have Invisalign certified orthodontist.
Hi, I'm Dr. Akshita. Imagine straightening your teeth without the hassle of wires and braces.
Invisalign, created by Align Technology in 1997, offers a discreet teeth straightening alternative to traditional braces. Custom-made, clear aligners gradually shift teeth over weeks or months, treating mild to moderate issues like crooked teeth and spacing. Their transparency provides an aesthetic advantage, and their removability allows for easier eating and cleaning. While effective for many, severe cases may require traditional braces. Invisalign is popular among adults and teens seeking AL.